Kung masyadong mahal para sa budget mo yung JBL sound gear frames at naghahanap ka ng medyo murang alternative, this is the perfect smart sunglasses for you. It's very easy to connect. All you need to do is to connect it to your phone via Bluetooth. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-download pa ng app. Katulad ng ibang smart sunglasses, you can also play music and take calls using this device. Maganda rin yung battery span niya because it can play up to 6 to 8 hours na continuous usage. Compared with other brands, hindi siya katulad ng iba na kapag naka-pair na sa phone mo at nagpi-play yung music, is automatic tutunog dito. So, you need to press yung dalawang button dito sa gilid para marinig mo yung sound. Kapag isang side lang yung pinindot mo, dito mo lang siya maririnig. So, you need to press both buttons. When it comes to lens quality, hindi naman siya ganun ka-worse for a gadget that is less than 2,000 pesos. And may kasama na rin siyang clear lens na pwede mong palitan anytime you want. So, madali lang siya. Hugutin mo lang. And ipapasok mo to. So, meron siyang clear lens at meron din siyang dark colored lens. So, eto pwede pang gabi, pwedeng pang umaga. To be fair with Monster, mas na-improve nila yung sound quality dito sa smart sunglasses nila compared dun sa mga earphone models nila. Yun lang.